In this lesson, we'll duplicate some of the frames at the end and we'll cut down the music and put it in the right area for it to work with the visuals. First thing we're going to do is duplicate some of the frames at the end to make the images as long as the narration. Let's click down here and we'll zoom in. I like when he has his hands up and then when he puts his hands down in triumph. So I'm going to select these last four and do an option drag. Select them again and then drag it back to close up that area. And then this is what it will look like. So he does the raise the hands twice, which is cool. Let's zoom out. I want to get the end of this music. Let's zoom in right here. And right here is where I want him to say, I made it to the top. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the video right here. Get the cut tool and let's cut that right there. Get the move tool and let's delete the music on the left side. Click on this music and do a Command X. Command X cuts and it copies at the same time, and then we can paste it. Let's go to the end of the video and let's zoom in again and then listen to the narration to the area where he says, I made it, which is right here, and do a Command V to paste the music in. And then let's zoom out a little bit. Bring the end of the music over like this to go to the end of the animation, and then drag the left side of the music to go all the way to the beginning. Go to the beginning and then listen to it. You'll notice that the music is really loud. So what we want to do is click on that line here and drag it down. Drag it down to about -18 decibels. You should be able to hear the music and the narration of the character. The music should stop when the animation stops. If the music goes past the animation, there's going to be a dark screen here when people watch, and there's going to be more music to listen to, but there won't be anything to look at. So make sure you edit that area at the end here. Command S to save so far. So this is what the animation is looking like so far.
Hey everybody, I'm gonna try to climb this. I made it to the top. Yeah.
This lesson will continue in the next video.